Heavy-duty electric wheelchair with headrest foldable folding and lightweight portable power chair with seatbelt electric power manual manipulation adjustable backrest and pedal joystick purple. Pay attention, please look for the original manufacturer GGCY store. Buy in other stores will not provide any return and refund policy and any after-sales service, although the price is very cheap. Lightweight and easy to fold, this electric wheelchair is used rugged carbon steel frame, bearing weight 150 kilograms 330 pounds, easily folds up in 5 seconds. It is very compact and neat after folded. Weighs only 34 kilograms 75 pounds plus each battery weighs just 3 kilograms 6.6 lb.can be easily placed in the trunk of most vehicles. Labor saving and worry saving helps you go further and enjoy more different scenery. Manual electric mode to switch at any time. This electric wheelchair is equipped powerful and quiet 500W double motors, 12A Li-ion battery packs. Charging 8 hours can run around 10 to 15 kilometers. The battery can be charged while still on the power chair or can be easily removed and charged off board. Can the chair also be used as a manual wheelchair when there is low battery? The carer pushing plus together with the high-quality tires, it provides better traction. Apply to all different road types. Simple to operate, with 360 degrees waterproof anti-radio interference intelligent joystick. Joystick can be placed either left or right of the armrest. Adapt to various groups of people. This wheelchair gives you smooth operation and one hand free for quick stop. The electronic brake ramp does not slip. Anti-flip wheel and stab resistant tire with adjustable seat belt reversing reminder. High-pitched horn, automatic brake keeps you safe, stable and comfortable. Humanized design, reclinable backrest and adjustable headrest, adjusted 90 degrees 180 degrees for more comfort. The armrests on both sides can be lifted up for users to get on and off, eat, etc. It also comes with detachable breathable seat and backrest cover for a long